It's been tough, but it's been very fun, meeting a lot of people. But all in all, it's been wonderful. It's been a great experience with Encounter Ghana, and I look forward to the next hike. The terrain was quite challenging.
Coming back was more tiring because we had to do a lot of climbing.
At a point, I thought I was going to fall, especially when we were doing the descent to the waterfall. It was extremely difficult, but I'm glad I was able to do it.
Our tour guide also showed us various trees and plants that are in and around the hiking path.
Oh, yeah. He's saying that this tree is called Chen Dibiedimewu. Back in the day, our forefathers used to use it for wax paint.
I don't worry and prensa. Yeah, who you need some prensa.
Hey!
Nah, yes, will be on.
Eh?
Well, one more.
I'm a better room when you saw me. Why?
It's an experience. Oh my
I was thinking that one day, like for the viewers.
Okay. You doing what?
It was great to see the waterfall.
It was exciting. The water was so cool. It was refreshing.
We conquered it. We all made it, right? I think it was one supportive group. Very challenging terrain. Some were as steep as a wall, like as the angles, but we made it. Join us on our next hike.
Try and have this experience in nature.
Exercise and recreation is good for your health. It makes you live longer. So as a team, we can forge together and do this many more times. Coming together is just the beginning. Thank you.